What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you this super cool way to edit B-roll fast. Assuming you're doing like a montage B-roll situation, this is where it works the best. So I got a bunch of clips laid out here for a project I've been working on. I'm just grab a bunch of them and just move them over here. Let's say I only need all my B-roll clips to be 1 second. So what I'm going to do is highlight everything, and I'm going to right click. And then once you right click, what you want to do is go to clip duration, and I'm going to do, you can do a frames, time, whatever, but they have presets for set times. So I'm gonna hit 1 second, and you hit change. Now you see all of your B-roll clips are now cut down to 1 second, but you have all these gaps here. All you gotta do now is go to edit and then hit delete gaps. And then there you go. So if you needed to do like a montage and you organize everything like in order how you needed it to be, and it just needed to be like a, you know, like cut to a certain beat, and let's say you timed it to the beat, you'd be done. If you found this video helpful in any way, be sure to leave me a comment and let me know. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe for even more DaVinci Resolve tips and tricks.